So hello guys, today I will explain in project number 52, that is monkey walk. So here these are instructions. After when we will complete the designing part, all when we will complete our app, there will be, it will look like this, and one button will be also there, that will be move. Okay, so we can click here also, or we can open it on new tab also. So I have already opened. Now here some coding is given, but there are many errors that we have to solve it. So we will first of all work on HTML. Here I will type HTML. I will give a enter. Here I will type head. Here I have typed head. Then again I will give a enter. Here I will type title. And also JS, it means JavaScript. Some designing parts are also given. So, but there is all, then also there is error that we will see afterwards. Okay. So here I will type title, and here I will type save animals. I have typed save animals, and we can type anything whatever we like related to animals. And then I will close title. Then I will give a enter. Here I will close head now. Head, and then I will give enter. I will type your body. Again I will give enter. Here I will type P. P means paragraph, that I have already told you. Class is equals to P class is equals to header. Header. Then I will give a close tag. Then I will give a space, and I will type here monkey walk. That's the project name. And I will close my P paragraph. Then I will give two time. Then I will give enter one time, and I have to put image ID here. They have already given us. Okay. Now see, here image ID is given. From here we will give a enter. Okay. Now here I will type button type is equals to, now we are giving button. Okay, button type is equals to ID will be button. Here button type is equals to button we will type. Then I will give a enter. Here I will type on click is equals to, here I will type next slide. Next slide. And then I will give a function. We give this round brackets for the functions. See here in JavaScript there is error that we will see afterwards. Now here I will give a close tag. I will give a space, and here I will type move. That I have already told you, move will come text. Now I will close my button. I will give enter. I will close my div. Then I will give two times enter. Here I will close body. I will give enter. Then I will close my HTML. HTML. Okay, now we will see the button. See, button you can see. button is there. Okay, now we will see for CSS. We will design it. Now they have given that style for body. They have they are they have given us. They are telling that you have to style for body. You have to design for body now. So we will give body. I will open curly bracket. I will give space and here I will type text align, text align, and then text align will be center. Okay, center. Now I will give enter. Text align center. This is enough. Okay. Now I will close my curly bracket that I have opened. I will give a enter. I will give dot header. Header. Okay. I will give enter. I will open curly bracket. Then I will give enter. Here I will type font weight bold. Font weight will be bold. Okay. Now I will give enter. Here I will type font size 30px. 30px. I will give enter. I will close my curly bracket. Okay. Now, okay. Here they have given style for image tag. So we will style. Now here I will give hashtag. Here I will type album. Okay. Now album. Then I will give enter. I will open my curly bracket. Then again I will give enter 2 times. Here I will type border. Border bottom. Okay. Now here I will type here I will type 3px. Then I will give enter. Okay, I will give space. Here I will type solid. I will give space. Here I will type hashtag 689 capital F and 38. Okay. Now I will give enter. Here I will type padding 2px. Okay. Now I will give enter 2 times. Here I will type height 400px. Okay. 400px, and now I will give enter one more time. I will close my curly bracket. Now here CSS part is done. Now we'll see for GS what is the error that there is. Okay, we will check. Here you can see that there are var images is equals to. Okay, now here var it means variable. Where okay, now var images is equals to. Now here these are the IDs. Here these are the monkey walk ID. Here you can see all ID are same, but difference is of numbers. Like here it is given 1, 2, 3. Monkey underscore 01 PNG. It means 1 PNG. In first image they have given this image. Then in second image is also same, but monkey's leg it is moving. Okay, so whenever we will click 3-4 times, 5-6 times, whenever we will click move button, monkey will move. Okay, you will get the IDs from here. They have given here 1, 2, 3. till 10. Okay. Now we will see what is the error. I think there is some error. Then after the IDs, we will, and here I have given this first ID. So we have to give in double quote. And after comma, and after one ID, I will, and after one link, I will give comma, then enter. Then in double quote, I will give link, then comma. Like this, we have to give all the links. After that, here I will give one enter, and here I have typed var variable I is equals to 0. I is written. If we want, we can give any variable name j, k, l, z. Okay, any. Now here I will give enter, then function space next slide. We will give a function. Then I will open curly bracket, 2 times enter. Then I will type if. If inside round brackets I will type I space 2 times I will give is equals to, then space 9. Then I will give enter. Here it is curly bracket is open. Then I will give enter. I is equals to 0. Then I will give enter. We'll close the curly bracket that we have opened here. Then we will give 2 times enter. Then here I have to type document dot get element E will be capital, by B will be capital, ID I will be capital. Document dot get element by. Document dot get element by ID inside round brackets and inside double quote we have to type album dot src source is equals to images, then in square bracket in I have to type I. We will type I only, and here also we will type I, because here we have given I. If here any variable name we have given, we can give name also, Samia, any name we can give. So here, or letter we can give word letter. Here if I will type K, then here also I have to type K. Here I have typed I, so here we have typed I. So I, then I will give a enter. Here it is given I plus plus 2 times plus. Okay, so I found the error. I will give a enter and I will close curly bracket. Now our JavaScript and CSS and HTML is done. Now we will live test it. Okay. Now here they are telling that there is some error. Okay, I will delete this curly bracket. Maybe after deleting this curly bracket, it will work. Okay. We'll see one more time. Uncaught reference error. Next slide is not defined. Next slide they have given where, okay, we will delete this next slide and we will type again next slide. Okay, now we will check. Again we will check. Uncaught reference error. Next slide is not defined. Next slide for we will delete because it is not defined. It is telling that. I know next slide is required. Yeah, I have to type next slide. Next slide. Okay, now we will give enter 2 times, then we will try. I will move it. Oops. Okay, now we will see. Okay, now it is working. Again, I will do this. Now we will see. Yeah, but if we will click one time, it will not work. If we have to click many times, then only it will work. See, okay. If now I will show you, I'm clicking one time. So here it is not. It is not working. We have to click many times. Then it will work. If we want that, if we will click one time, then it move. Then we have to code that. But in the project, they have given this. Okay. Here line is also given. Now our project is done. So this was the project and link you will get from here. Here it is also given the links. Okay, so our project is done. Now I will meet you in project number 53. So bye bye guys.